So this question is from geometry and we are given with 3 unit squares. What is the meaning of unit squares? Unit squares means the squares which has side length 1 unit. So that means the side of each square given here is 1 unit. Okay, like this. Please remember this. The side length here of each square will be 1 unit because these are 3 unit squares. Apart from that, we need to find the area of this blue shaded region. Okay, we need to find this blue shaded region area. Let's see how we can do this. We will be solving this question in 3 parts. Let's look at 3-part solution of this question. In part 1, first of all, let's name this figure A, B, C, and let this point be point D, let this point be point E, let this point be point F. Yes, so in this part, we will be finding the length of BD. Let's find the length of BD. How we can find the length of BD? We will go to right triangle BAD and we will be applying Pythagoras theorem here. Pythagoras theorem on this triangle. So AB square plus AD square will give us BD square, correct? Now please see carefully what will be the length of all these sides. As I told you in the beginning, the length of each side of 3 squares is 1 unit. Yes, it is given in the question itself. Yes, you can go back at the beginning of the video and look at why all the sides are 1 unit each. Yes, these sides are 1 unit each. Now if AB is 1, this will become 1 square. What will be AD? AD is 1 plus 1, 2 square. This will give us BD square, correct? That means BD will turn out to be root 5 units, okay? BD will turn out to be root 5 units. Let's keep this in mind. And also mark this in the figure. BD is root 5 and let's write it at top itself because this will be useful for us in other parts of the question. Let's jump to the second part of this solution. In second part of this solution, we will be marking few angles. Please look at these angles. First of all, let angle ADB be x degree. Let this angle be x degree, correct? Now we know that there are 3 squares. So this corner angle of the square is 90 degree. Yes, correct? So if this is 90 and this is x, please look at triangle. I am talking about triangle ABD. Yes, right triangle ABD. If this is 90, this is x. What will be this angle? Angle ABD. This angle I'm talking about. This angle will be 90 minus x degrees. Yes, this corner angle of triangle ABD will be 90 minus x degree. Correct? After this, we will be looking at 2 triangles together. Let's see which 2 triangles are these. Let's look at triangle BAD and triangle FEA. Yes. Now, in these 2 triangles, I can see AD is equals to AE. Both are 2 units. Yes, both are 2 units each. Now, we also know that angle DAE is equals to angle AEF. Both are 90 degree each. Corner angles of squares. Correct? We also know that AB is equals to EF. Both are 1 unit each. Correct? What does that mean? That means triangle BAD is congruent to triangle FEA. Now, why this is needed? Because using this, we can say angle EAF is congruent to angle ADB. Both will be x degrees each. Yes, using CPCT. So let's mark angle EAF in the figure. This angle is angle EAF. Yes, so this angle is x degree. Correct? Now, why this was important? We will look in the third part of the solution. Let's jump to the third part of this solution. In third part, we will look at triangle BAD and triangle BCA. Yes, Now we can clearly see that angle BCA is equals to angle BAD. Both are 90 degree. Now please see why angle BCA is 90. See this triangle ABC, we have 90 minus x. This angle is x. So definitely this angle will be a right angle. This will be 90 degree, correct? This angle will be 90 degree because in triangle ABC we have 90 minus x and x degree. So this will be definitely 90 degree, correct? Now similarly we have two more angles which are equal to each other. Which are these angles? This is angle ADB is equals to angle BAC. Both are x degrees each. Now using these two conditions I can say that triangle BAD is similar to triangle BCA. Yes, these two triangles are similar. Now, why was it important to prove similarity between these two triangles? We will see. As we know, these two triangles are similar. We will be using a rule, a property of similar triangles, which is that, let's see, the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. What does this mean? This means that area of triangle BAD upon area of triangle BCA will be equal to, what is the corresponding side for triangle BAD and BCA? We can take BD for triangle BAD and corresponding side for triangle BCA will be AB, correct? So the square of the corresponding sides is equal to the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles. We will be using this to find the area of triangle BCA, that is shaded triangle, blue triangle, correct? Now, what is the area of triangle BAD? Triangle BAD area will be half times base. What is a base of triangle BAD? I am assuming it to be 1. Height I'm assuming it to be 2. Yes, so the area of triangle BAD will be 1 unit square, correct? Now let's substitute the value of area of triangle BAD in this equation. Area of triangle BAD is 1 unit square and we need to find the area of triangle BCA, correct? Is equals to, what is the side length of BD? The side length of BD we have already find out in the beginning, that is root 5. And what is the length of AB? Length of AB is 1 square. So this will give us 5 upon 1, correct? So that means area of triangle BCA will be 1 upon 5 unit square, correct? So what we need to find out in the question, we need to find the area of this blue region. Yes, this blue region is nothing but area of triangle ABC that we have found out. This is the area of blue region, correct? So this will be our final answer.